So much on this to-do list. You know what? We're gonna do a stretch from Peaceful Warriors Wellness Center. And I'm Steven for your Wellness Wednesday. And today is part of our stretches and self-care at the workplace, especially an office chair. You'll see our other videos in the previous weeks. So now we're gonna do a little bit of upper body because, you know, a lot of us just carry that tension in our neck, our upper trapezius or traps, levator scapulae, that holds up our neck. And, you know, when we're stressed, when we're working at the computer, it just goes forward too much. So what we're gonna do is give yourself a couple minutes, even if it's 2 minutes in the day. This will really help you out. Take some tension off of there. So I like to sit on the hands. Maya showed me that one. And what you do is to stretch the left side, for instance, you bring the opposite ear, the right ear, to the shoulder. Sit up nice and tall. Make sure there's no split discs or, you know, any cervical or neck issues where the disc slips. So it's relatively safe though. Just less is more, like anything else. Be very gentle getting into this. So you could do a little bit of a push, breathing. I like to relax the jaw, open the mouth slightly, and just let that jaw drop. And hold 10 seconds at least. You could build up to 20 or 30. And on the exhale, just try to go, even if it's a millimeter, centimeter more on that exhale. Pain-free tension, okay? And then slowly come out. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So same thing, or you could even bring the hand behind the back, as long as there's no shoulder dislocations there or rotator injuries. So, hey guys, please check us out at the Wellness Center and share this with a friend, especially if you like it. And I hope that this helps just relieve a little bit of stress during your day. Thanks a lot for watching.